Hey, I'm going to show you today how to install docking drawers in an IKEA cabinet like these. Let's take a look at some of the tools that we're going to need for this project. We're going to need a jigsaw with a metal blade on it, eye protection, a square, some writing utensils, drill bits, a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a measuring utensil. You're going to need either the template that comes with your docking drawer kit, or you can make a jig using the dimensions listed there, a file, tape, a straight edge, and a drill. First, find the center of your drawer, or whichever the desired position is. If you'd like it more on this side, you can always move it to there. Use your template or jig and trace it like so. Alternatively, you could use your template and you can tape it in the desired position where you want your docking drawer to be. You'll want to put on your eye protection now, and then you're going to start by drilling a hole at the corners where you will start your jigsaw. Your drawer should be looking like this now, with the 4 holes in each corner. This is where you're going to get your jigsaw in, your blade, and start cutting along the line. I did have to make one modification to my jigsaw, which is I added a piece of material here, 1/2 inch thick, because the drawer has a 1/2 inch lip here, and to account for that space, I did that. And it's just 1/2 inch piece of material. Could be made out of anything. At this point, the opening should be looking like this. Don't worry if it's not perfect. There's a cover plate that's going to cover it. For now, you can file it down and just clean it up a little bit if as needed. Now is a good time to check fitment of your docking drawers. From the back side of the drawer, you want to put the part that has the longer lip in first, like so, and then this side goes in next. So it looks like mine still needs a little bit of trimming here. And there you have it. This is what it should look like from behind. Now that that's cut, there's one other tool that you're going to need. It's going to be a little paintbrush and a little bit of paint or primer. You want to seal off that edge you cut just to protect it. Alright, we're going to let that sit for a few minutes so it can dry. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing. Also, let me know in the comments What else you want to see? All right, next we're gonna test fit this guy in here. You can leave the plastic film on. It will protect the drawer and the unit from getting scratched or anything like that during installation. And once you're done, you can peel it off. You're gonna want to pilot a hole in there. I have a drill bit here, and this one is 5/64. Your kit should have come with these screws, and I recommend you use a screwdriver for this part because a drill could strip it easily. Now the cover plate can go on. Our drawer is now ready to go to the cabinet. All right, now that the drawer is in the cabinet, you want to take the cord, make sure you have an outlet nearby and plug that in there. In our case, our cabinet still needs to be delivered to the client, so I'm going to show you how to install it in the backboard. You're going to want to close the drawer all the way. Then you want to hold the bracket towards the backboard and open the drawer. Next, you're going to mark where the holes are. And you can pilot the hole. And take your screwdriver and line that up. And there you have it. You now know how to install a docking drawer on your IKEA cabinets. I hope you found this content valuable and I was able to provide you with some knowledge. Until next time.